Here we have the function h of x is x squared plus 1 dividing by x with the third minus 7, and then the whole thing to the second squared. And we want to find h, the derivative of h of x. And so first, let u, which is g of x, be the inside here. And then to find the derivative for u, we need to use the quotient rule. And so the quotient rule is to be the derivative of the denominator times the derivative of the numerator, and then minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, and then dividing by the denominator squared. So this is using quotient rule. The derivative of x squared is 2x, 2 times x. Derivative of the constant 1, derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of 1, constant 1 is 0. Derivative of x to the third is 3 times x to the second. And then the derivative of the constant 7 is 0. So this becomes as 2x, and then this is 3x squared. So that's u prime. And then f, g of x, this is the same as f of u. And we call this right here u. And so it'll be u to the second. And so f prime which is the derivative of u, and u to the second, the derivative is just 2u, and then this is 2 times u, but u is this. And so by the chain rule, the derivative of h of x, this is equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So this will be 2 times all of that, and then times g prime of x, which is this. Here we have h of x is equal to sine of 3x, and we want to find the derivative, so let 3x so the derivative derivative 3x would be 3 times x would be 3 times 1. Okay, derivative of x is 1, so we get 3. So we have f of g of x this will be up of u, because g of x is u, and this will be sine up of u. And recall the derivative of x of sine of x is cosine of x. And therefore the derivative here, the derivative of f prime will be cosine of u. And so h prime of x, the chain rule says that this is this times g prime of x. And then we need to rewrite this in terms of u, so this is cosine of 3x. And then times 3. Oh, this is just 3 times cosine of 3x. Here we